Hey guys! So this week's video is going to be about a 16 by 54 back patio. Pretty straightforward compared to what we normally do. We got with the customer, we might be doing a checkerboard pattern. Picture frame for sure, checkerboard pattern maybe. I guess we'll see depending on weather. But hopefully you guys like the excavation, the prep, laying the rebar, my favorite part, the pour. And we'll see you then, guys. Thanks. Have a great day. Go home. Let's go with some light ones first. Así como si la compa. Thank you, padre, me ayude a ver. ¿No andas o qué, Miguel? Ahora se me hizo muy... What's up, guys? Joe from J&M here. Pour went well. We got the picture frame pattern. Concrete set up too fast for the checkerboard, but we let the customer know that was going to be a big if because it's always windy out here in Peyton, so we're not certain, but it came out really nice all the way through. Check that out. What do you think, guys? That's a lot of squares. All right, guys. See you guys next week. Next week we're doing a big colored patio with some other things. We'll see you then. Have a great day, guys. Bye.